Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have Wurkkos EDC flashlight. It's a pocket flashlight TS10v2 and it's 4000 kelvins and it was sent to me by Wurkkos themselves. So big thanks to them. As always, I'll post link to video description where you can find this flashlight. So today we have Wurkkos TS10v2 flashlight. We have the box, mine is 4000 kelvins and CSP 2323. Inside the box you have the clip, 2 O-rings and lanyard. Let's put it aside and let's see the flashlight. Flashlight has big button on the back, 3 auxiliary LEDs and 3 LEDs behind the tail lens. The only way you can unscrew this flashlight is here. Inside we have the battery. It's Wurkkos battery, 900 milliamperes, 14500, and we have here contact, and here in the back we have the spring. I was not able to unscrew it elsewhere. I think you can unscrew the tail cap, but it is glued. And same for the front. Yeah, that's the flashlight. UI is Android 2.0. So you have a lot of customization. I will not go through it here. But in the manual you have this small diagram, and if you need something from here, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer. And as I remember, you will start in simple UI. This is simple UI, and to go to advanced UI you have to press 10 times and hold. Quick explanation: what are the C and H meaning? C is for press, and for example for H is you press 3 times and on 4th you hold. And that goes 1 hold, 1 C, 1 C, 5 C, a lot of customization. So you can just take a look at this. Also you can change the look of the auxiliary LEDs. It's 7 press and hold, as I remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it will cycle. And you can stop anytime. Here's RGB. And let's stop it red. So it's red. Not very visible. One thing I would like to ask you about this flashlight is one thing. Free press is for battery check. So 1, 2, 3. You have 4 volts, 0.0, and it starts blinking again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 volts, 0.0, and blinks 2 times. Sometimes it blinks 7 times, sometimes it blinks 6 times. I don't know what does it mean. Maybe you know the answer for this. Here. Just 1 blink, 1, 2, 3, 4 volts, 0.0, 1, 2 blinks. What does it mean? I don't know. Maybe you let me know in the comments. And that's how the flashlight looks. That's how you use it. Small flashlight, good for everyday carry. You can put it anywhere. So let's see how it performs in the dark. See you there. And now my final opinion about this flashlight. I like that this flashlight is small, but I don't like that it uses this kind of battery. I'm a bit into more powerful flashlights, and while filming the night shots, while I took the night shots in 2 places, the battery was 3.7 volts from full. So it was like 6 short videos for probably 20-30 seconds, and the battery was half dead. So not a big enthusiast about these small flashlights. For others, maybe you like it, maybe that's what you need, but I did not like that the battery is so short. And one thing else I don't like about it is that it's not stabilized. I do not expect stabilization on these small flashlights, but as I know, Wurkkos is selling this flashlight quite good, and probably maybe in the next batches they can make a stabilized driver. And as I know, there is a bigger version of that, and I'll try to get it and review it. Maybe that will be stabilized and the battery life will be better, but for now it is as it is. The button on the back is very easy to press. Not too easy, but just right. And you have auxiliary LEDs. So that's it about this flashlight. Let me know what you think about it. And also don't forget, maybe you know what's this 1, 2, 3. When you check the battery, after it shows the battery, it blinks again one more time. Yeah, so that's it. See you next time in the next reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.